Hello, welcome back, beautiful people. Today I'm so happy. I'll be showing you how to style this gele in less than 2 minutes. You should be able to style this gele. Once I show you step by step, you should be able to style it in less than 2 minutes. But today I will take the time to show you step by step so that you can style it on your own in less than 2 minutes. So my subscribers, thank you. We've passed 100 and I'm so grateful for encouraging me. Thank you. I can love you more. Mwah, mwah, mwah. 3 kisses for you and to you. You. Why haven't you subscribed? It costs you no money. It's just less than a second of your minute. It costs a lot time, money for me to make these videos, and it costs you just less than a second to subscribe. So I'm begging you today, have a rethink of your mind and subscribe to my channel. I love you all. Let's go to the business. This is the gele that I'll be using for today, and all you have to do is locate the middle of your gele. This is the middle for me, mine, and I just pick a spot and just pull it out, just any spot, and then take your rubber. You see the rubber band, and just, you see, this is the top, just fold it down and put your rubber in it. And for the second part, put your rubber in this side also, so that it's well secure. I don't want it to get loose, so I'm just securing this with 2 rubber bands, 1 for each side. And this is what we have, right? Just pulling it, arranging it. If one is longer than other, doesn't matter, it can be the same size, we just have to arrange later. And just place it on your head. Easy peasy, that is our slogan. And to the back. And to the front. See the way I come to the front? See? Hold it. I measure this, come over this, see over it, and your rubber band again. So I just use my rubber band to hold these 2 together. So now to styling. First, I locate this, and I locate this small one to make a rose. Can you see the rose? This and this, and style, right? Then for this, you see, easy peasy, right? Oh man, I'm loving this gele hairstyle. And I take a pin and just hold this. Now tell me, why can't you style your gele elegantly to parties? This is in less than 2 minutes, you get this. Oh man, I love it. Don't you love it? My ladies, now tell me, why do you have to go to that party, boring, and just tie your gele like? Eh. 360 degree. I'm loving it. I hope you love it. You see how easy it is. Subscribe. My people love you. And you can as well restyle it and Just put another pin just to make it round if you want it round. If you don't, you can leave it like this, right? And you can if you don't understand how we get to this, watch it. I'm loving this Gilly. No more reason to go to that party in a boring headgear. No more reason. No more reason. Just select any style you want from my channel and you are good. Or you can as well just take this and pull it all the way back. Either way you want it, you still look gorgeous. That's the main reason for styling. You still look gorgeous. So do your Gilly the way you want.